we have rubber gloves, we have orange trash bags. Wow.
Carrot colors.
Oh my gosh.
So we're bringing the kids some.
You are fantastic.
Cool. Sunglasses.
What do you guys say?
Yeah. It's awesome with the carrot. All the carrot colors.
Yeah, dude.
Go in and wash your hands, okay?
Every single day, anytime you have an idea, just remember that you can have the idea, and if you want to, you can actually go out there and make that thing. So go talk to your dad or talk to your mom and go, I have this idea for this thing. Because some of your ideas might be a really good idea that might turn into a business, or it's just, you can just always think of ideas, right?
The last person to hold that plank wins, but we're gonna see who can stay the longest.